Okay, multiplying monomials, and it's advanced. So right here we want to express the area of a rectangle. So we want to work with the area of a rectangle here. So now we're dealing with shapes. So right here we could draw a rectangle here, and it says the width. The width is the smaller side. So the width is y to the second. The length is 11y to the fourth. So you see, when you have a rectangle, you're going to take the length times the width. So the length is 11y to the fourth, and we want to times it by the width, which is y to the second. Remember, we can put a 1 here since there's no number there. We simply take 11 times 1 is 11, so our number is 11. We write out our 4 y's and we write our 2 y's. So you can count that out. You can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you have here is you have y to the 6. So we put it all together. This would be 11y to the 6. So again, you have a rectangle. The formula for a rectangle, the area of a rectangle is multiplying the length times the width. So we want to multiply these two terms together. So I'm going to press in 11. I'm going to press in y. I'm going to press the AB key because I need an exponent here, and put in a 6. Okay, next question. What I want to do is we want to figure out on this one, what is the actual letter for A. So what we did was we took this A and we had x to the third times 3x, and this B is unknown, so we got to find this B is equal to 21x to the fourth. So we're going to get 21x to the fourth here. So right here we show a 3. So let's think about that. Letter A times some number 3 gives me 21. Well, if you take the 21 and you divide the 21 by 3, because that's the number you see, you get 7. Because for you to undo multiplication, you want to divide. So A should be 7, because if we check it, we simply say 7 times 3 is 21. So this A should be 7. Now as for the B, we have 3 x's here, and right there there's 4 x's. So how am I going to make 3 x's 4 x's? Well, evidently this missing B would be 1x. So this missing B is a single x. So that's like a 1x. So we really can't, I don't think we can really put a 1 in there. I mean a letter in there. You can't put the letter x in there. You got to put what the exponent is. So since you only see 1x, the exponent is 1. So don't put an x in there. If you put an x in there, I can tell you right now, you're going to get it wrong. So we know the A is 7. We don't want to put the x in there. We want to put out what the exponent is. Since you only see 1x, it's going to be a 1. So we place a 1 in there. Okay, next question. What we want to do is we want to bring these together. So it's not finding any letters. It's just regular multiplication here. So we're going to say parentheses 8ab to the third, then parentheses 3a to the fourth. So we want to multiply the numbers first. Take 8 times 3. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. Now we have 1a and we have 3 b's. Over here you have 4 a's. So let's count the a's up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 a's, a to the fifth. There is no change to the b's because there's no other b's over here. So we still have b to the third. So we did not increase the total of the b's. So let's put these together. So we have 24a to the 5th and b to the 3rd. So let's type this in. So let's go 24. Let's go letter A. Let's press the AB key. So the AB key is 5. Press your space bar. Press the B, but now we need the B to be to the 3rd power, so press the AB key to make it 3. So let's check this. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, we want to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle here. So right here we're going to draw a picture of a rectangle. And the width, and this is the length, and this is the width. Remember, the width is always the shortest side. So that's 4y to the 3rd. And the length is 3x to the 2nd y. So here you just want to times these two terms together. So you want to simply take 4y to the 3rd times 3x to the 2nd y. So let's just remove the numbers out. So we just simply take 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. As for the letters, there's 3 y's here. And there's 2 x's here and a y. So right here, if we count up the x's, well, there's no change. There's still 2 x's, so we show an exponent with that. As for the y's, we have 1, 2, 3, but here's another one, so this becomes y to the 4th. So now let's join that with the 12. So we say 12x to the 2nd, y to the 4th. And again, the only thing I'm doing is listing out my letters and counting all the letters that I see. So let's type this in. So we want to type in a 12. We want to type in a letter X. We want to use the AB key to put down the 2. Press the space bar. Put down the Y. Use the AB key. 4, 4, and now let's check it.